Hey all, welcome back to the series of Java programming. We have already seen few programs based on for loop. Now we are heading towards another program of the for loop where we will not use numbers. We will work on string. So let's say we have a string array and let's name it S. And how we define that it is an array? Using this symbol equals. Let's store some values like some names. Let's say let's store another name, Shyam, and Ravi, Amit. Okay, so we have created a array whose name is S and that contains four names that we have given. So string names should always be in double quotes, and so for storing the element into the array we use this curly brackets open and close, and we provide the names or any string and comma in between to segregate that this is the first string, this is the second, third, fourth, like that. So if you want to go through each of the name, let's say we have a scenario where we have to check whether we have a name, let's say Amit, that exists in our array or not. So how we can do it? So for that we have to go through each name, and for doing so we have to use for loop, just like we have already seen. So as we all know, index starts from 0 for array. So S0 will be containing what? Name. S1 will be containing Shyam. S2 will be containing Ravi, and S of 3 will be containing Amit. So we will start from 0th index, means this name, and we will go till I less than. So till where it will go? It will go till the length of the array. What is the length? 1, 2, 3, 4. So S dot length we have method to find the length, and I plus plus we can do because we are starting from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that it will go. And we always go for less than S dot length, okay, not equal to, because 0 will be Ram, 1 will be Shyam, 2 will be Ravi, and 3 will be Amit. What will be the length? Length will be 4. But we have to go from 0 till 3. That means less than length, less than 4, and that will be 3. That's why we have put condition here, I less than S dot length. Now we will check, we will apply one condition. If, let me zoom it, we will apply if condition, and we will check whether a particular name exists in the array or not. So how we find the element of array? S of I dot equals, and what we can give? We can give the name. So instead of S we can give, let's say, Amit. Okay, curly bracket open close. So what here we are doing, we are checking S of I. So I first time will be 0. So S of 0, that means this one. S of 0 is Amit equals, sorry, Ram. S of 0 is Ram equals Amit. So is it equal? No, Ram is not equal to Amit. So will it go inside the loop? No. So here we can put a message also. Let's say it will match here. So what we have to do, we have to just print a message that name is present, like that we can do. Let's we are just avoiding else part because we just need to find whether the name exists or not. Okay, so if it will find even for once, it will say yes, name is present. Let's save it and try to run it. Yeah, we got name is present because name is already at the fourth index. What if we let's say change it to some different name, and let's try to run it. So nothing is the output. Okay, that means that name is not present. So we can also handle this part by checking the condition, and we can add here also, as soon as we found the name we can break the loop. We need not to check further, right? And let's say we haven't found in else part, and here also we can put one condition, else if. What condition we can put? That I is equal to s dot length minus 1. That means we are already at the third index, because s of length is 4, minus 1 will be 3. So I is already at 3 and we haven't found the name, that means, right? So what we can do, we can just write here the message system.out.print name not found. Like that we can print. Let's try to run the program. So here it is saying name not found. Okay. Let's try to check for Shyam. Run it. Name is present here. Let's put Shyama and check again. So it is saying name not found, right? So here what we have done, let me summarize it quickly. So here we have a main method where we have defined a array whose name is s and its data type is string. That means this array will contain only string values. So here we have string values Ram, Shyam, Ravi, Amit, right? And string values should always be passed in double quotes. Comma we have separated, that means this is the just to segregate that this is the first name, this is the second name, third name, okay, like that. And now we have traversed from 0th index till the last to get each name. Here we have applied a condition if s of I means first time s of 0, s of 0 means Ram, okay, dot equals kya wo equal hai to Shyama. So is it equal? No, condition failed, it will come here. Else if, is I equal to s of length minus 1? No, it is not. So it will neither execute this part and nor this part. So what will happen? It will go up. I will be incremented. I will be 1. Again, it will check the condition. Is it less than length? Yes, 1 is less than. What is this dot length? 4. So 1 is less than 4. Correct. It will come inside the loop and it will execute. If s of I dot equals Shyama, again it will check. Is it equal? No, it is not equal. So it will not execute. Let's suppose it is equal. So what will happen? It will go inside the if condition, because condition is true. It will print name is present and it will break the loop. It will not check further, right? Because we just have to find a name whether it is present in the array or not. That we have already did. Then no need to check further. That's why we applied break statement that will take us out of the for loop, like from here, and it will terminate the program because nothing is written here. So it will be end of the program. So like that it will work. We can find whether a name exists in the array or not. Like we have list of names, okay, and that we have stored in an array. We can check whether it is existing or not. So thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing, keep revising.